In this lecture we've got some quick final thoughts to share with you before steaming ahead with the rest of this course, so here goes. The first one is, throughout this course we're going to be referring you to different online services. Now all of the services we refer you to are first rate, and in 99% of the time we've used them ourselves. Now we're telling you this so you'll know right off the bat that we're not going to hide anything from you at all. The second one is, though you can take this course on a mobile device like an iPhone, we highly recommend that you do take it on a computer or a tablet. The reason is simple. We often link out to different resources and we want you to be able to check them as you go along the course, but if you do take it on a mobile, you can refer back to them. And the final one is, we've spent a considerable amount of time and money in creating this course, and we take our creations very seriously. Now in order to protect this course from being passed along without permission, there are certain lectures which are generated automatically and tagged. Yes, I said tagged. This way, if a copy makes its way online by any chance, we can trace it back to the original source and block that copy. So please make sure not to share any of the lectures of this course online. And if you think someone can gain from these insights, we'd appreciate you directing them to the sales page instead of just making a copy of this course for them. I'll tell you what, I'll even allow you to give them a discount for directing them to us. How does that sound? So it seems we've got everything set up and ready to go. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the magical realm of Bitcoin.